What up, guys? Welcome back to another treat recap. Today's the last day of the week, Friday, the 6th of February. Wait, let me fix yeah, 6th of February. Half an hour in the day, and I'm already done with it today. Made a bit of profit. Could have made a bit more, but I played it safe today. Friday, last day of the week, and I'm still on an eval, so I shouldn't have done that. I'm gonna journal that as well because I'm trying to pass these evals as quick as possible, of course. But I'm playing it safe, just like I'm on the funded. So I need to change that to pass the evals way more. It's just a business expense, of course. But we made 360 on the day. I'm gonna show you guys the trade, what I took and why I took it. So if we go back to the 1 hour time frame, what we disrespect the 1 hour bearish fair value gap. We're disrespecting bearish fair value gap, respecting bullish ones, as over here, respecting bullish ones. So that automatically makes me a bit more leaning to the bull side. And then what I wanted to see it open happened immediately. I want to see a tap of the 1 hour fair value gap. Let me mark this out real quick. So if we go back to the 1 minute time frame, we also good to know we got a 15-minute with like resting liquidity over here. What we swept these almost relative equal lows. We swept these lows on the 15-minute, and we get it a 1 hour fair value gap. So I'm more of the higher time frames. So I'm waiting on the 5-minute CISD. The CISD happened earlier, but I'm just gonna put it over here on this candle actually, because I like it. Because I don't like the CISD when the market is consolidating a bit. So just put it on the top of over here. When we get the 5-minute CISD, we also open up the first percent fair value gap with really strong displacement out of this 1 hour and 50-minute. 1 minute CISD, you could have entered. It's the same entry you've gotten with the 5-minute CISD. What I took, I just waited when we tap into the first percent fair value gap. And I wanted to see on NQ these highs actually. Was a bit sketchy because we're also on a 4 hour fair value gap. If we didn't have that 4 hour fair value gap over here, I would entered way more size. But I was a bit scared because of the 4 hour fair value gap. That's why I went break even as well. When we were up here, we get like these kind of with this 1 minute fair value gap. Let me clean this out a bit. That was while I was in the trade. When we get this 1 minute fair value gap, I went break even. I put one runner actually over here. So I got stopped. I entered with 3 cons and I got stopped with 1 con over here. Oh, take the arrow. 1 con I stopped over here. Then what I did, we immediately displaced up. So I exit one of my cons over here. That was the full TP. I should have held all my cons, but this is what it is. I'm going to journal that. And then I put one beneath this low. Because what I said to myself, if we disrespect this, excuse me, 1 minute fair value gap, we're going down. Because originally what I was thinking is just a small move to go higher. And when we get the 15-minute CISD, we could also see new lows. Because my eyes are still on this low as well. I'm not going to trade today anymore. I'm done for the day. But that's maybe a trade for you guys later in the PM session. When we get this 15-minute CISD out of this 4 hour, you can target these lows. Good. Maybe I'm going to have a look on it. Maybe take it on the funded. But I don't think so. I think I'm done for the day. So yeah, that was a quick trade recap. As I told you guys, I'm going to show you once more. I made 360. Could have waited way more if I just held everything and closed everything over here. Made like 700 something. But it's fine. My emotions during the trade were a bit all over the place because this week my drawn liquidity is like spot on. I shouldn't have had a losing day this week, only winning days, but I'm sometimes scared to enter. So I'm glad I took this trade, but emotions were a bit over the place because of the white stops. Need to get them in control. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you guys took the same trade or you're taking this short out this 15-minute fair value gap with a liquidity sweep out of this 4 hour 1 minute CISD over here. Your short would have looked. Right, let me clean everything up actually. Your short would have looked like this. You get the 1 minute CISD, stop above the high. You already have up 1.8 R. Target this low actually. So almost a 3 hour trade. Could also have been a trade. I'm not looking in for anything anymore. Made my peace. Next week, if the week is clean, I'm upping my size for the eval because next week I want to pass it or load the eval and buy a new one. We're gonna see what happens. But have a nice rest of your days, guys. Good luck with trading.